No, Mr. Chicken! Mr. Chicken, come back!
You literally put
Come
my
here, Mr.
cat
Chicken.
in a cave to die.
Come here, Mr. Chicken. Mr. Chicken, come here. Good job, Mr. Chicken. At least my chicken's alive.
Yeah. No.
Hey, he grew up!
I'll fucking kill him.
No, you won't. What the fuck? I didn't even kill one of your cats! You just killed Mr. Chicken! What was that for?
He's being fed to the cats.
Mr. Chicken. Mr. Chicken, no. R.I.P. Mr. Chicken.